Hello everyone and welcome back. Today's the day after Easter, so I hope you all had a wonderful Easter yesterday. I know I did. We had the whole family here and it was a lot of fun. I think I hid 250 eggs in the yard. Anyway, before that, sometime last week, I had found this little planter that I bought at Dollar General for, I don't know, like $7 or something. But it didn't have any little flowers in it. It just had the little, see, can I get this out of here? Just had this little metal like flower pot in there. So I went to the Dollar Tree, got some little succulents, and I got like a bag of these like little stones here. These I did in gold and I just hot glued them down in there. But I thought it turned out so cute with all the different colors. I wanted to go back and get some more succulents and try to make something else. So that's what we're going to do today. I did pick up a glass bowl and they had other ones that were more like, I wouldn't call it a fish bowl, but they came up around the sides. They were bigger, so you can choose different sizes, whatever you like. I got a little, got some styrofoam in there. I got a little glass candle that I plan to put in the middle. I picked up some of this berry garland. I'm not sure that I'm going to use. And just like I did in here, I used the little gold stones. I have a couple of bags of these. Now, these I know I got at the Dollar Tree. These I'm not sure where I got, but I did get them for 99 cents, so still on the cheap. And then these little rocks. These came from Lake Michigan when my son was in Chicago for his boot camp in the Navy. I got some styrofoam pieces. Now these I know came from the Dollar Tree and they come in a bigger package. I used over half of it. And these probably came from, as you can see, they've been used. These probably came from some sort of arrangement I bought at the Goodwill and tore apart to, make something with. So I never throw anything away. If I tear something apart, whether it's a wreath or, whatever I get, like at the Goodwill or something, I don't care if it's handles off of something. I save everything because you never know what you can use. My husband's ready to kill me. Our basement is so full of what he says is junk. I say it's treasure. But anyway, so I went back, got some more succulents. They had some that are on the stems and they have some that are in these pots, which I thought was good because I took a knife to one of these to see if I could get it out of there. I don't know which one it was. There it is. Because I thought I might need to use that to fill this in. So I think what I'm going to do, and I think I want this to be raised up a little bit. So I'm thinking about putting this in the bottom so it's a little bit higher than this. And then from there, maybe we will take these. I get my knife here. There we go. And see if we can't pop out some more of these. Matter of fact, let me just go through and pop all these out real quick. Okay, so last one right there. And again, because I don't throw anything away, I'm going to save all these little pots for, I don't know what. They could make like really cute little party favors if you're putting something together. So I'm going to pull all the succulents out, set those aside, get on my little styrofoam pieces. And what I kind of want to do, I'm thinking, is because I'm using the black rocks, I kind of want to keep it like where it looks like it's black from the outside, but I don't know. I'm not sure that you're really going to be able to tell. So I'm just going to start tucking these down in around here. And then, well, that was funny. These two were different than the other ones, but that's all right. And some has some sticky stuff on it. So I'm going to try to fill in a little bit with rocks just to kind of hold it in place. All right, so I finally got all the little black rocks in here, but I really had to take my time getting them in there, and I had to pull some of the flowers back out. So we're just going to go back in and rearrange some of these now. Put these down in there. These tall ones, I'm kind of going to face outward because I don't want them getting burned by my candle. There we go. And another one right over here, a little short one. There we go. And so now I want to use some of these really pretty rocks, which I'm excited about. I love that it has just tiny bits of different color in there. Let's see if I can get this open. Maybe I should just cut the corner of the bag. I'm not sure how much of this we'll be using. Whoa! Well, apparently a lot in the floor. So I'm just going to pull these little petals apart and get some down in there. Oh, I do think it's really pretty though. We're just going to deal with that later. Oh my goodness. I'm going to spread them around a little bit. Let's see if I can get what's on the counter at least to put back into here. Well, that didn't do a very good job. Okay, so then I have just a few little spots like here and here that the styrofoam is showing. So that's where I'm going to put these big orange ones. Just press them down in there. There we go. Orange, red. I don't know. I think it looks pretty. I don't know what I was going to do with this. I don't think I'm going to use that. I think this is more, not really whimsical. I don't know what you would call this. But I think it's not. I don't think it goes there. I think this is really pretty by itself. We just need to get a candle lighter and light it. Can y'all see? See what I've done here? And again, they have different shaped candles. They have different shaped bowls. You can, there's like a lot of different things you can do with this. Light our candle and see. Oh, isn't that pretty? Anyway, I think it's really, really pretty. I'll have to move this into the living room because I think it'll go great in there. But anyway, I hope this inspires you guys to do one of your own. So let's count up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I would say this cost about $15, but you could do it on a smaller scale. You can do it on a bigger scale. If you found something like at the Goodwill for a couple of dollars that had a bunch of these already in there that you could pull apart, you could definitely make it cheaper. You could get rocks from outside instead of getting rocks from, the Dollar Tree. You might even have some candles laying around the house. But anyway, play around with it, see what you got, see what you can come up with. And I hope, like I said, this inspires you to make something of your own. So I thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.